This is an example of an assembled manager top. Although assembly is not intuitive, it is intentional and provides stability and a finished edge appearance. We'll refer to this section as the front panel, this section as the rear panel, and these sections as the side panels. Start by flipping the top over. This again is the front panel. Pre-fold the panels on the score lines to make assembly easier. Starting with one of the side panels, fold the panel up and then fold the side panels 90 degrees in. Repeat for the opposite side. Hold in place. Take the rear panel and fold up. The fold is not intuitive on the front and rear panels. You may want to fold the rear panel flaps into the top. If you do this, you'll not be able to complete the assembly. The correct assembly steps are: fold the rear panel outer section over the side panel flaps and push into the top. The rear panel flaps will bend and point to the center of the box. The white surface of the rear panel flaps will now show inside the top. Repeat this step for the front panel. At this stage, the inside of the top will look like this. Fold the side panels over the rear panel flaps and into the top. The tabs and slots will lock in place. The assembly is now completed.